Okay, so good afternoon. So today we tackled about chapter 1, patterning sequence. So pag sinabi natin pattern is yung design, possible design, recurring format, or recurring forms. So ayun po yung definition ng pattern. Yan. So pattern is our regular repeated or recurring forms or designs. So mga example po natin ng pattern is layout of floor tiles, design of buildings, the way we tie our shoelaces. Bakit naging example yung pattern ng layout of floor tiles natin is, di ba may mga bahay kasi na karamitan sa atin is naka-tiles. So karamitan ng mga design ng floor tiles natin ay yung pattern. So pero silang pagkakasunod-sunod or repeated or recurring. Yan. So then design of buildings. So karamitan ng mga buildings na makikita natin is Makati. So we have, meron silang mga, lalo na pag magagaling ng mga architects, so mga karamitan na ginagamit na ng pattern, yung mga design or pattern na ginagamit nila is magkakasunod or repeated or recurring. Then next, the way we tie our shoelaces. So syempre pag nagtali tayo ng ng shoelaces natin, of course, we have pattern. Kasi hindi naman pwede nating itali na lang natin ng ganyan na yan. Pag tinali mo, it's okay na. So, hindi possible, hindi pwedeng gano'n. So, kaya nagkakaroon tayo ng pattern sa pag-tie ng ating shoelaces. Then next, so studying pattern help us identifying relationship with finding local connection to form generalization and make prediction. So, kung bakit natin pinag-aaralan yung pattern is para ma-identify natin yung mga relationship and mahanap natin yung mga connection or local connection nito at makakuha tayo ng mga generalization and makakuha tayo ng prediction. Yan. So next, so we have 4 example. So titignan po natin kung ano yung pagkakasunod-sunod or titignan natin yung pattern ng isang situation or series na tinatawag natin. So number 1, which of the figure can be used to continue the series given below? So we have 4, then ang hanapin natin is yung pang-5. So according to the final answer or the explanation, the best answer is letter C. According to the explanation, the base figure rotates an angle of 45 degrees in the counterclockwise direction. So the letter C is a perfect answer. The next, number 2, with the figure you think best fits the series below. Yan. So, pangatlong figure, ang hinahanap natin ngayon is pang-apat na figure. So, we have 3. So, yung kasunod ng 3 ang hahanapin natin. So, according to the answer or the explanation, the best answer is letter A. The base figure rotates an angle of 90 degrees in the clockwise direction. A is the perfect match. Okay, next, number 3, which of the figure can be used to continue the series given below? So dito, makikita natin, so dito ma-identify agad natin, ang sagot is letter D. Bakit naging letter D? Kasi po, yung unang figure or yung unang drawing is single lang siya. Then pangalawa is parang symmetrical na silang dalawa. Then pangatlo, isang triangle. Then ang susunod ay symmetrical ng triangle. Kaya siya naging letter D. So the explanation is, in a given series, a figure followed by the combination and itself is vertical inversion. Thus, D is the right choice. The next, so which number should come next in the series? So we have 46, 52, 50, 56. Ngayon ang hinahanap natin is ang series ng 10, 17, 26, and 37. So the best answer dito is letter C. Bakit naging letter C? Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, pwede rin 46. Pero, paano mo naging 46 kung sakasakali? May 10 ka dito, then 17, 26, and 37. So, of course, ang hahanapin mo is yung kasunod ng 37. Ngayon, para makuha mo yung pattern, so 10 and 17, pag pinag-minus natin yan is equal to 17. Is equal to 7. Next, pag pinag-minus natin yung 26 and minus 17 is equal to 9. Then, pag binag-minus natin yung 37 and 26 is equal to 11. Ngayon, nakakonclude ka na 7, 9, 11. So, of course, ang kasunod ay 13. Kasi dadagdagan mo lang ng 2 every 2. Dadagdagan mo lang yung number ng 2. So, 13 plus 37 is equal to 50. Kaya the answer is letter C. Well, according to the explanation, beginning with 3, each number in the series is square of the succeeding number plus 1. The answer is letter C. Okay, so we proceed to the tayo sa pattern ng nature. So may tinatawag tayong symmetry. Pag sinabi nating symmetry is when the different sides of something are alike. This reflection may be mirror image with only two sides, like the two sides of our body. They may be symmetrical or several sides, like the inside of an apple slice in half, or they may be symmetrical on all sides, like the different pieces of a cube. So example ng symmetry is yung katawan natin, di ba? Pag hinati natin yung katawan natin, it possible, symmetrical siya. Why? Kasi kung ano yung meron sa left mo, ayun din yung meron sa right mo. Then next, yung apple. Pag hinati nyo natin yung apple, hinap natin. Kung ano yung kalahati ng apple, is kaparehas ng kalahati niya. So, ibig sabihin, symmetrical sila. Then, yung pieces of the cube. Yung cube natin, ang Rubik's Cube natin. Example po niya na symmetrical. Why? Kasi po, kung ano yung meron sa right, ano yung meron sa left, parehas sila. Kung lahat ng pieces niya ay pare-pareha, so ibig sabihin ay symmetrical sila. Okay, ang magkakaiba lang yan is yung color. Okay, next. Under ng types of symmetry, we have bilateral or mirror symmetry. Symmetry is respect to reflection. That is a figure which does not change upon undergoing reflection, has reflectional symmetry. So the best example dito is yung pag tumingin ka sa salamin, makikita mo yung reflection mo. Ayan ang pinakamadaling explanation sa mirror symmetry. Okay, next. Rotational symmetry or radial symmetry is also found at different scale among non-living things, included the crown shape, splash pattern, form when a drop falls into pond, and both the spheroidal shape and rings of the planet like Saturn. So example yan dito yung mga non-living things eh. Example yung sa tubig. Yan. Yung alam niyo yung parang ipo-ipo sa water. Yan, ako kasi naka-encounter na ako, nakakita na ako ng ganyan sa province noong bata pa ako. So, ayun yung parang rotational symmetry. So, ayun yung example ng rotational symmetry. The next 5-pole symmetry is found in the echinoderms, the group that includes starfish, sea urchins, and sea lilies. The reason for the 5-pole is pentaroid symmetry of the echinoderms is puzzling. So, ayun yung mga 5-poles natin. So, under nyan is starfish. Next, 6-pole symmetry is plate structure forming a record of the varied condition during its crystallization with nearly the same pattern of growth on each at 6 arms. Ayan. So we have 6 arms. The next, fractal number 2, under fractal number 2 are infinitely sub-similar iterated mathematical construct having fractal dimension. Infinite iteration is not possible in the nature, so all fractal patterns are only approximate. So example nito yung mga parang bouquet na parang madami na hindi nabibilang, so approximate siya. Yung pattern niya, and then only approximate, hindi natin talaga alam kung ilan talaga yung nandoon. Then, spiral. So, is a curve which emanates from a point. Moving farther away is revolved around the point. So, karamitan ng spiral natin. Nakakita tayo nito. Gamit natin ito sa notebook natin noong elementary tayo. Di pa pag ayaw natin ng writing notebook or kaya ayaw natin ng ginagamit natin is spiral. Yan. Next. Tessellation. So, sa tessellation are patterns formed by repeating tiles all over a flat surface. There are 17 wallpaper groups of tilings, while common in art and design. Exactly repeating tilings are less easy to find the living things. So, karamitan na makikita natin to ay sa living things. So, yung mga tilings are less easy to find the living things. Then, we have 17 wallpaper of group tilings. So, pag sa mga mape natin noon, sa arts natin, ito yung mga karamitan na ginagawa sa mga dimensional. Then, next, bubble or foams. A soap of bubble forms a sphere, a surface with minimal area, the smallest possible surface area for the volume of enclosed. So, ayan. Next, stripe. These patterns have an evolutionary explanation. They have function which increase the chances that upstream of the patterned animal will survive to reproduce. So sa stripe pala, we have evolutionary explanation. So hindi lang dahil sa stripe sila. So according to the explanation na evolutionary, which increase the chances that offspring of the pattern animal will survive to reproduce. The next, number 7, are linear opening that forms in material to relieve stress. Does the pattern mo, cracks, indicate whether the material is elastic or not? So dito kay cracks, naniniwala ako na isa to sa relieve ng stress natin. Why? Kasi lalo na pag sa probinsya ka, makikita mo talaga yung mga nature ng mga cracks natin. Mga example na magagandang cracks talaga. And so we proceed to lesson 2. Okay. So we proceed to lesson 2, Fibonacci sequence. So pag sinabi kasi nating sequence is an order list of number called terms that may have repeated values. The arrangement of these terms is set by definite rule. So Fibonacci sequence is the series of the number. So we use our formula Fn is equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. Therefore, para makuha natin, kaya naman natin makuha ng solving lang kahit hindi tayo mag-use ng ating formula. So, itong zero natin ay tinatawag nating F0. Doon itong F1 na 1 natin ay tinatawag nating F1. Then, para makuha natin si F2, pag-a-add natin yung dalawa. So, magiging 1. Then, para makuha natin si F3, pag-a-add natin yung dalawa is equal to 2. The next F4, para makuha natin, pag-a-add natin yung Fibonacci 2 and 3 natin, so is equal to 3. Then para makuha natin Fibonacci 5, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Next, para makuha natin si 6 is 3 and 5 is equal to 8. Then para makuha natin si Fibonacci 7, 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So on siya para makuha po natin. So, hahanapin natin yung Fibonacci 10 natin. So Fibonacci 8, Fibonacci 9. So 21 plus 34 is equal to Fibonacci 10 is equal to 55. So ganun lang po siya. Okay, next. So let Fibonacci n be the then term of the Fibonacci sequence with Fibonacci 1 is equal to 1, then Fibonacci 2 is equal to 1, then Fibonacci 3 is equal to 2, and so on. Ngayon ang hahanapin natin is sa Fibonacci 8 natin. Okay. So Fibonacci 8. So tingnan muna natin Fibonacci 4 is equal to 3. Then Fibonacci 5 is equal to 5. Then Fibonacci 6 natin is equal to 8. Then Fibonacci 7 natin is equal to 13. Ngayon, ang our formula is Fn is equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2. So Fibonacci 8 ang hinahanap natin. Then Fn 1 minus 1 is equal to Fibonacci 7 plus Fibonacci 8 minus 2 is equal to Fibonacci 6. Then the value ng Fibonacci 7 natin is 13 plus the Fibonacci 6 natin is equal to 8. Therefore, Fibonacci 8 natin is equal to 21. So Fibonacci 8 natin is equal to 21. Then Fibonacci 9 natin is equal to 34. Then Fibonacci 10 natin is equal to 55. Then Fibonacci 11 natin is equal to 89. Fibonacci 12 natin is equal to 144. Then Fibonacci 13 natin is equal to 13. 233. Then Fibonacci 14 natin is equal to 377. Then Fibonacci 15 natin is equal to 610. Then Fibonacci 16 natin is equal to 987. 987. Then Fibonacci 70 natin is equal to 610 plus 987 is equal to 1597. Then next Fibonacci 80 natin is equal to plus 987 is 2,584. So the Fibonacci 19 natin is equal to 4,181. So, tignan natin kung gagamit tayo ng formula. Okay. Fibonacci 19. So, Fn is equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2. Then, Fn natin is equal to 19. Then, Fibonacci n1 natin is equal to 18. Then Fibonacci n minus 2 natin is equal to Fibonacci 17. Therefore, 18, the value of 18 is 2,584 plus Fibonacci 17 is 1,597. Therefore, the Fibonacci 19 natin is equal to 4,181. Okay. Next, we proceed to another example. Okay. Another example is, ang hahanaman natin is Fibonacci 22 is 17,711 and Fibonacci 24 natin is 46,368. And what is a Fibonacci 23? So, ang hinahanap naman natin is Fibonacci 23. So, Fibonacci 22 is equal to 17,711. Then, Fibonacci 23 natin is equal to blank. Then, Fibonacci 24 natin is equal to 46,368. Then, pagma-minus lang natin si Fibonacci 24 and Fibonacci 22 para makuha natin si Fibonacci 23. So, 46,368 minus Fibonacci 17,711. Therefore, the Fibonacci 23 natin is 46,368 minus 17,711. So, the Fibonacci 23 natin ay 28,657. Ayan po yung Fibonacci 23 natin. Okay. Another. So, we proceed to arithmetic sequence. So, according to arithmetic sequence, follow the pattern of adding fixed amount from one term to the next. So, we use our formula an is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by the division. So, the common difference. So, n is equal to n term. Then, d is common difference. Then, a sub 1 is the first term. So, we proceed to another example to find our arithmetic sequence. So, find the 14th term of the arithmetic sequence 5, 7, 9, and 11. So, our formula is an. So, an is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiplication by the common difference. So, an natin ang hinanap is a14. So, a sub 1 natin is 5. Then, plus n minus 1 natin is 14 minus 1. Then, difference natin ay 2. Bakit naging 2? Kasi 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Then, next, a14 is equal to 5 plus 13 times 2. So, 13 times 2 is equal to 26 plus 5 is equal to 31. Therefore, A14 natin is equal to 31. Okay, next. Another example. In the arithmetic sequence, negative 7, negative 4, negative 1, and 2, what term is 44? So, ang hahanapin natin is pang ilan daw si 44. So, ngayon, tawag dito, meron tayo negative 7, 4, and 1, and 2. So, ang maiisip nating difference dyan is positive 3. Why? Kasi negative 7 plus 3 is negative 7. Pag pinag-add mo itong dalawang to, ang magiging sagot is 3. So, ang negative 7 plus negative plus 3 is equal to negative 4. So, magiging 3. Magiging 3 ang common difference natin. Then, ang a sub 1 naman natin is negative 7. So, ngayon, ang hinahanap natin is yung 44. Pang ilang term si natin. So, try natin. Negative 7 and negative 4 and negative 1 and 2. So, tignan natin. Negative 7 plus 3 plus 3. So, negative 1, 2. Then, next is 5. Then, 8. Then 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29, 32, 35, 38, 41, and 44. Therefore, pang 44 natin, ang pang 44 natin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So, 44 is pang 18. Okay, next. Okay, the fourth term of an arithmetic sequence is 34 and the 10th term is 22. Find a sub 1 and the difference D. So ngayon, meron kang given na pang fourth term. So example, fourth term. So sabihin na natin ito yung a sub 1 mo, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5. Yung a fourth term natin is 34. A5, A6, A7, 8, 8, and 8, 9. Then, 8, 10. Ngayon, ang pang 10 mo daw is 22. Ngayon, pabawas siya. So, maiisip natin na negative. So, negative agad. Ngayon, paano natin malalaman na negative? Kasi pababa siya. Therefore, the difference natin is negative 2. Kasi, tignan natin, negative 2, 30, 32, 30, 28, 26, 24. So, sakto. Next, dito naman, so baliktad ka, 36, 38, and 40. Therefore, the a sub 1 natin is 40. Try natin. An is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 multiply by the common difference. So, a sub 1 at yung an natin, sabihin na natin 4. A4 is equal to a sub 1 is 40 plus yung n natin is equal to 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Then, common difference natin is negative 2. So, A4 is equal to 40 plus 3 times negative 2 is equal to 6. Negative 6. Therefore, A4 is equal to 34. So, nagtugma na siya.
For more ICCT College's video updates, please subscribe and click the notification button.